How to delete all saved posts in Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete all your saved posts on Reddit in just few easy steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Reddit app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on the option labeled as saved, and this will take you to the list of all the posts that you have saved on Reddit. Now here, to delete saved post, just tap on the three dots on the post that you want to remove, and from there simply tap on unsave. Now unfortunately, there isn't a direct option to delete all the saved posts at once, so you need to do it individually. So repeat this for each saved post and tap on the three dots and then unsave it. Keep on going until you have removed all the saved posts that you no longer need, and that's it. That's how you can delete or unsave all your saved posts on Reddit. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.